Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Homescape. If you want to get started playing the Homescapes game, then it's pretty simple. First, make sure to download the Homescapes application on your preferred device and launch it open. You'll be able to see this interface as soon as you open up the app. You can play the game right away without saving the progress by tapping the play button. If you want to sign up and start saving your progress with the game, simply tap on Save Progress. Now, in order to save your progress throughout the game, you can go ahead and select one of the sign-in methods. You can sign in using your Apple ID with your Google account or with your Facebook. Select any one options. In my case, I'm gonna choose the sign in with Google option. Simply tap on it and then go ahead and sign into your Google account by entering your email or phone number associated with Google. Also enter your password for your Google account. And once you're logged into your Google account by entering its credential, you'll be able to see this interface. Simply tap the play button and start playing the game. You'll then be able to see this quick tutorial. Go ahead and skip through the tutorials and then start playing the game. So that's how you can easily sign up or get started with Homescape. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.